life till reach like this. Which I did do for here. I go won't go back. I said I won't go back to that. I won't feel like I won't cry now. I won't give me 1 minute. My people all of you where they come back from my channel say you know be the first time where you reach my channel, you welcome back. Una wey be saying at the first time where you see me be this, welcome. My name na Summer. If you never subscribe, make I just remind you, say you see that button there will be red. Press that button so that you go subscribe, and after that make you press the bell sign so that anytime where I upload new video you go get a notification. Now so some of you don't watch my old Pidgin English video and I like her, so some people they say Summer do another one. So today I say make I do another one. The matter where everyone talk is still good, say now for Pidgin I do one because I want maybe say now we they hear what I they talk. So what I want to talk for this video today, and I say people where they ask me say people go they ask me so can no can now different question they ask for this YouTube, different question. But one question people they ask me when I say how you take enter Europe, how you take enter the obodo where you dey so. That question, you know, I like to they avoid and small because you know when people they ask this question, if I begin give too much, you know, say I don't feel they answer that kind of question for YouTube now. Me you think, you know, I don't feel they answer now. You know, say as I they talk to you so. Many of our people still the road. I don't want to put some stuff for their gari because as they still they cross. Come here now, can't just talk all the whole story we did here. You don't know say road feel close for some people. No say some lock feel go know the way. Can't go they catch our people for road. So I don't feel they talk everything. But I go still try explain 1 or 2 things because people they ask questions here and there. And I don't see say many of our people when they ask all these questions. Now Nigeria people wait still there Nigeria, they won't find how they go to enter. Not be waiting that they just broadcast like this. You know they talk our people still there road. But I go just still give you some kind of stories more about my waka, how I take reach where I did so. So when I come out for Nigeria, the country where I did, so I know waka direct enter na kurukere waka I take reach where I did here. When I don't waka reach one particular point, it can remain small. Make I take cross enter the obodo where I did so. Now that one can really hard. And we know our people. Sometimes people wey no road no go want tell you. Me if you see me face to face, I go tell you. You understand? If me and you dey face to face, I go tell you road. But I no fit dey broadcast am like this. You understand? For many people wey be say I don't dey ask them how did they take cross the place. They know they greet tell me. This I go say tomorrow when I get chance I go tell you. You know those kind of things. Just they play me like ball like this up and down. They play me like ball up and down. But some people tell me say make you wait, make the real cold don't come. When the cold don't come, where we say the road, all the road don't full of ice, snow too much. Say a lot of no go day road too much around that time. You know you can't go cross for night and all this kind of thing. Now this what they wait for. But as I they wait now, snow no fall. What I go do? Me I want enter. You dey hear? If we reach one point, I don't wait. So tell I just can't tire. Say make I just give up. Me I just go back to Nigeria. Say so maybe not be my destiny. Say I go where I dey go. Maybe God want me I just go back because I just can't tire. Did he just can't tire me? I say me I just go back because the place where I dey, you know, sometimes and even the place where I still did, where they try to cross road, sometimes I don't go get food. You know, I don't go like people still help me, accommodate me. They still try, but don't be say they get money. So you know, easy they go they feed me, and I carry small pikin for hand that time. You know, they go they feed me, they go they feed this small pikin. I can't they feel like liability for people hand, you know that kind of thing. They try, you know, easy for to find somebody who will even accommodate you. They really try, you know, but they know they say they get money, but at least they let me stay their place. So I can't feel like burden, you know. I can't feel like I be load for their head, you know. I be I just turn road, me I they go back. The day where I stay cross, now night, middle of the night, now I take cross. Middle of the night, now I take cross. Now even Oyibo self, now Oyibo person still help me cross. You know, I no go lie, a very good man. No be saying I'm free, I still pay her money. But the man good, you understand? The man a good person. Even the way they treat me, the way they talk to me, the way they help me, he really help me explain things for me. You understand? You know, I make some time when some people they expect. And to me, I don't talk before say, everybody, I don't feel be racist person. I don't feel be tribalistic person. For this country, when they want chase me come out for school. No, if I never watch my video, I go try link my video for description box. When they want chase me come out for university for this country, now 2 Benin people, now borrow me money, now I take pay school fees. Benin people where I say they go help me, no help me. People family self where I beg, may they help me, they no help me. Now people will be say they not be my family member, now they help me. Benin people. Middle of the night, this man carry me enter road, carry me show me road. You go come they tell me make I hate these people, make I hate that people. Bad people there everywhere, good people there everywhere. You just pray, make God they help you to meet better people. Now you go to talk, make God they help you. Now Yoruba woman, I receive me for this country. Now you go still let me stay her house. She can still coach me how I go take waka. When you go what did they call her? You go meet the government, say you come out for your country, say you don't want to go back to your country. That one another story. I know we still go too deep inside that story, you understand? So you go to say you come out for your country, you don't want to go back to your country. But the time where I take come for night, the office where I supposed to go don't close. Now Yoruba woman, I still keep me for her house until the next day. She show me road, she still help me, direct me, you follow me, go bus stop and everything. Come reach there. Go see our people. Oh, Naija, make we fix our country. Make we fix our country. See our people, see Q. See Q inside cold. Inside cold. See as God bless us with lovely country. See our sun they shine one. See our weather, lovely warm weather. We go live and enter cold country like this. What did they pursue us? You know, say when I talk, some people say, it will talk. If you really they think well, you gonna say many of the things where they talk. Now things where we say they be cocoa. Now all the things where I always they address for my channel, all the matter where they touch left and center. Now matter where we say it reach make we they discuss. Some people prefer when they do video say see my life as a perfect, you know, or they show video we say may I show you how to do makeup, you know, see makeup. I know they do all those kind of fancy things. Channel where they do that one plenty. I want me to discuss matter where they important. But some people don't like it. I not go keep myself now waiting they my mind to talk. Now I go to talk for my channel. Go see our people see queue. Hey, I look, I say, hey, we come up for our country, come they queue like this. For waiting. If our country better, our people no go dey run like this. If our country better. Okay. So you go don't plan your story. You go tell why you come out for your country, why you don't want to go back to your country, you know all those kind of things. Everybody, people they cook different story. The thing I say, it's funny. Me, I know they feel keep quiet. If I meet somebody, I say you be a Naija person. I wanted to follow you talk quickly. I don't know why. I don't say me, I like to talk. That's how I be if I meet people and they quick follow people talk. But some people, like you know, some people don't even want to talk to you. They're just serious. In my mind, I don't know that maybe they don't really cram the story when they want to talk. So they don't want distraction because they don't really focus on the story. Because you know what, some people don't cram. You know the way we say sometimes you go write exam, you don't cram. And you just the fear say if I open my mouth, the answers where I don't say for my brain go come out. Now say it be some of them don't want come. They don't want to open my talk to you because they like say if they talk to you, the lie where they don't plan, they go forget them. Some people know they won't befriend anybody. Some people they won't befriend. But I meet two people when we say then they relax, we come they talk. They come and talk say now this story me I go talk. But that one say now that story I go talk. One of us I don't know say she got another plan. As we reach there, you go queue outside though, for inside cold. Finally, you can't enter inside warm. When you can't enter inside, you go come sit down. Another waiting. You see, you first cross the first door. When you cross that door, you can't enter. You can't sit down to wait. So at least you don't come up from inside cold. You don't come inside. You see they wait. So they never still reach you. Now still waiting. As we enter, we can't sit down. At least you don't come up for cold. One of the ladies who they talk since when they call reach her tongue. Come the cough. Now what did they do you? It just they cough. Eh? I say she cough. Her throat crack. He can't reach her tongue. She did this place, they talk. Me, I didn't hear they talk. If you hear the cough where this woman they cough, he cough. Now I say, which kind of cough be this one? Me, I don't talk. I just mind my business. They tell my own story. They talk my own. I talk finish. Next thing you know, that's why they call ambulance for her. They carry ambulance. They take carry her go hospital. I go tell you why they laugh. You know, go believe say later because they can't send us one holding site. Now for that holding site, I could ask her say, woman, what you gonna make you the cough like this? Now she go tell me say, my sister, I say make I cough. Maybe if I cough, they don't go to ask me question. Oyibo people. They carry her with ambulance go hospital. When they finish for hospital, they send her back to the place. They go continue. When they finish for hospital, they carry her go back to go continue the questioning. Oyibo, you go feel judge them. She said to say I know I was staying there, they just ask the question once and for all. After we finish all the interview, they'll come carry you go this temporary holding site. Cause see our people. And they talk this part because I want to know say our story as a country. See our people, grown men and women full everywhere. I be one of the youngest people when me I see for them. I don't that time. I think I be 25. See our people. In the morning, food day. The holding site, they go give us food. They give us all those one. They will come give you maybe one kind of small pocket money like that. Not be say rich anything, but still just something. Maybe one buy pad or all those kind of small things. Then they try you. Not go talk to them. They try. You go come out in the morning, see Nigerian men. Oh, you know what? We they waste our people, grown hefty men, come out their country, come sit down like this. You know, even as a young girl, they look at, they say, hey God, what you do our country? See our people. Food today, go now, you food, some of their food, no, they let our people really eat. But you don't get choice, you go manage them. When you go say, I be African man, I know they eat this one, I know they eat that one. You go eat her, nothing else they here, nothing else. I say this place where we did. When we come down in the morning, some of our men they chop, you go see egg, bread, everything. You go see Nigerian man go carry 10 egg, and they go chop and finish. I say somebody go take eat 10 egg. 10 egg. Our men they eat. Our men they eat. From there, that temporary holding site, they'll come decide again where they want carry people go. They'll come separate all of us again, go different places. And so they carry us like cattle up and down. I don't mean that in a bad way, but why they talk all this now to show how our country, the things where they do to us in that country, they make our people suffer abroad. You understand? They make our people suffer abroad. You know, if Nigeria are better, our people no go be like this. Not be a lot of people there, people from different other kind of countries. They still follow. They all go different place. So people say where they carry them go, it be like container building. You know, all those kind of different camp. They carry them go. It don't me, they carry me go very nice place. When I say very nice compared to the other places, my own a normal house, they try to carry all of us, come out us from their main city, they carry all of us go inside their villages. So for these villages, so people go far village. My own village they carry me go, still too far compared to many people. I am not good lie you, don't tell me God they see me through, don't tell me God they favor me. Me, they can't carry me go one kind of place. Now very big compound, now one village, but a very big compound. For that compound in a flat, so but the flat get 2 rooms. So me and my pikin they 1 room, another woman they another room with her pikin, and then we dey share bathroom, we dey share sitting room, we dey share kitchen. The first place where they put me, I can say, hey God, thank you. At least they don't put me for bad place because we dey hear story. Some people say that when they carry they go, they know they happy. You know this kind of thing. I say God, thank you. I dey happy. As the manager of the place come carry me go put me inside the room where I go stay. As they thank God, they say they give me this room it dey good blah. I happy not be later now because when the manager carry me go, the person wey dey the other room no dey there. So the person wey dey the other room already dey there like months before me I come. So she don't already take for the country. Me wey be say I just come now. I don't know who dey there until later in the evening. This girl come back. As this girl come back, me I come meet and say hello. Me now. No dey quick make enemy. I dey make friend with anybody. Come here. Hey, hello. I come there. It can't be say no be from our side. Now from South Africa the girl from come. Now the girl just look me like this. If you see where they look me, I don't already see for the eye say, go happen. The next thing, talk anything to me. The next thing, now the manager come meet me the next day. The next day, this night, the next day, come tell me say, he go like to move me. Now I say, why? He say, nothing. He go like to move me another place. I say, what happen? He say, nothing. I say, okay. What it concern me? I say, okay. Not being later. What about a fellow Naija woman? Come they tell me say the South African girl, say the girl go meet the manager, say why you go put her with a Naija person? Lie, you know if you live with Naija person for her life. Lie, me and I must not live for the same place. What the girl go the verse. They say the man was come water. Why you go put Nigerian person for in play for to share place with her? Me they see person will run from her country. He can come abroad. My fellow black person. He say he no want me. I don't even know say na the reason where the man move me. Me I already move. Me no be that one be my problem. Now which I go to survive. Now me I dey think. Then they see wickedness of human beings. You run come up for your country, you come another country, you still they choose between your own fellow black person. You know go feel live with you. And the man come move me, come go put me with Naija person. They come make peace for it. So now so I can't deal, we can't wait. My people, I suffer. If you see me that time, if I know the person will get endurance, I no go date this country by now. I suffer. Loneliness won't kill me. I don't know anybody. Even some people where you still know. Some of them already get family for the country. Every day they will just go out the whole day, come back for night. Me, I don't get where they go. Only you go just there. I don't get money. I don't get anything. Some people did this country with me. They get money. They go they send. I know some people say their husband they send their money from Nigeria. They just they swim for money. Me, I don't get. Hey. The food where they give out, I don't feel eat their food. I don't really like the food. I don't feel eat their food. I don't feel even buy waiting I need. Oh my goodness. That time I go shop, I go look all the things where they I go there supermarket, I go look all the things where they there. I go look there night, they say, hey, I would like to buy this one. I would like to buy that. Ordinary Fanta. I don't feel buy Fanta for shop. Fanta I don't feel buy. I say I go shop, I go look Fanta. If I still save small money, I see money buy Fanta. That Fanta, I get measuring cup. I get measuring cup where they take drink my Fanta. So that it go last me like 1 week. What it be Fanta? I no fit afford them. The flat where they live, they face the back, the window they face one bush like this. So that I would just think they're going to look this bush, It just be like say when how my life till reach like this. What I they do for here? I won't go back. I say I won't go back to that. I won't be like say I won't cry now. I won't give me 1 minute. Sometimes I could just look window, I could look outside, I could say, I just go, what did they happen to my life? Which kind of life be this? I don't know anybody. I just stay so lonely. I could just look, not just like one kind of forest, the backyard. I would just go, my life just can't tire me. Sometimes that my determination spirit go still kick in and go say no, I'm a fighter. I don't go through more things than this in my life. I go feel do this, I go still they push myself, say, stay, they push myself. After some time they will let you go rent house outside, so that you go come up for the camp. But many people they go rent house outside because they get the money, because you go first pay your own rent. You go pay the deposit and the first month rent. Then the government go give you the rent back, something. They get they still do at that time. Many people, their husband send them money from Nigeria. They will go rent house. They will come out for the camp. Go, they try to get normal life outside. Me now, I don't get money to come out for the camp. I don't feel rent house. That's why I stayed here. I stayed here. And many people you know don't come out. People they come out for the camp. People they come out for the camp. But what I can't do now, say somebody come tell me say you get one of that state way far. Say for that state, the government go pay the rent and the deposit by themselves from day one. So me when I know say I don't get money now, I can't say I go rent for that state. If I say I can't go rent for that state, I can't rent house for me say nah basement. Basement. I never live for basement for my whole life. And I never live for basement since that time. For this basement, you know they see window, you know they see anything. How you go dey inside ground? Now the house will be say the landlord where I fit rent. You know, now even some of my friends we don't move go there and they help me rent the house. I don't see the house, they just help me rent. I just travel from the camp, I just go enter. I go to look wall, not only wall I dey see. Only wall. I know the even TV self I don't get. You know, I don't get TV, I don't get anything. Only me and wall. My life just gonna tire me. Sometimes I feel they catch me the way one day I come work out for the area. Because it's a river not far for the area. And I say, if this place ever flood, me inside underground basement. See, I feel drown inside this place. So the thing they fear me. And every time I'm gonna say, God, I beg go. Make it flood no go. Make flood no go happen. If flood ever happen, how I go take survive inside ground? The only way in and the only way out are the front door. And the front door, if flood come on that side, they go fair block. So if anything happen, how I go take survive? If fire ever burn that place, I don't know where I go take come out. I don't like that place. If you never live for my mind though, it just be like say they bury me inside ground. Only me, you know, only me and small picking there. I never still get right to walk. I never get right to do anything. I say, that's so I go the day. That's so I go the day. It gets some other part of the story where I don't really want put for here. You understand? You know, but what I want to talk, I just narrate this story to still share. You know, my own case no worse, so some people's story worse. Everybody's story different. You understand? Now my own, I just see my share small. But the suffer where I suffer for the beginning, I don't get money, I don't get anything. It tell before I can finally get paper. Because before I get paper, I depend on the government. You know that the government money you go collect now, you don't get choice because they don't give you right to work. Some of our people go they find their way to take survive, to make money. Many of our people go find kuru, especially our men. Many of them go they find kuru carry way to they work, some kind of backyard work, you know, where we say government no go no. Because it's not easy for grown man to just sit down for house, no go work, you know. So it still tell before I get my paper, it tell. But before then I get the paper, I don't get choice. Now only the government money you go they collect. Now just that government money I'm not go lie you that they still try. At least they give you. That time, if I go shop, go buy things. As I they buy, I they calculate. What I they do when I they go, you know, so you go put up for till, make the scanner. As you don't reach one place, you go say how much? Okay, add this one. How much? Okay, add this one. So time when they scan, oh, remove this one. You don't pass my money. You know that kind of thing. You know, not be easy life. You don't pass my money, you go say, I can't come out that one. I don't feel pay for that. My money no reach. I better come out. You know that kind of thing. So now so. Before finally, when I come finally can't get my paper, I can't go first go do one thing what they call pre-nursing, you know. So pre-nursing, that's when they take do like care work, you know, those kind like assistant to nurses. After I finish, I can't say, me I could just go do the nursing itself, you understand? That's why I can't go do nursing, do general nursing where they take work. So I just want to share this story to encourage anybody. If you there abroad or if you there abroad or you still there in Nigeria, whichever one, just to give you a picture of how the thing they happen for this side. And many of our people they abroad and they talk on some people they talk out of kidney. Now they give them as advice. If you get chance to go do proper school or some kind of training quality to get some kind of qualification to still raise you up small, it's good. It's good because you know I'm not gonna lie you, my salary no bad, you understand? I not be millionaire, but my salary, you know, my salary no bad, you understand? It no easy before I reach where I do. I don't make video how I take suffer to go do nothing. I they work for weekend, I they go school during the week. I go still they find money because if I don't work, I not go see money pay my school fees. I not go see money pay my minder. You understand? So you know it will say too easy, but it's possible if you determine. Say you know your heart go strong. Say I must make her. I must make her. If you're more Nigerian, how you know go make her? How you know go make her? Nigeria will hustle plenty. Don't say tell our blood to hustle. So no they believe say you know go make her. She understand? So where I reach today, no you know easy as I tell I reach where I did today, but with determination and strong mind, not the way you know go fit do. If I compare my life from when I nearly come and I compare it to as my life be today, I don't feel like you. My shit don't soft small. You understand? My shit know how they get like before. One thing I have to tell you about Obodo Yibo na this. For abroad, you don't need to be a jebota to reach where you dey go. You know say for Nigeria, if a papa no get money, no get connection. Here, you don't need for abroad go make a jebako or a jebota by force. I want share this story because many of them really want to hear this part of the story, especially those who still in Nigeria. Any question wanna get, wanna ask if I won't answer, I go answer. If I know if you answer, I no go answer because you know say no be everything that they put for internet. My advice, anybody want go abroad, if you get chance to go, make you go. They don't they pick money for grant though. You understand? They don't they pick money for grant. You go work your way to reach where you dey go. I don't feel lie to anybody. You understand? Some people say, me I not travel abroad. Make we stay here until we work. If you want to stay in Nigeria until you work, there is no problem. Now your choice. I'm not go ever discourage anybody. Anything you want to do, make you do. You say you won't come up for Nigeria, I go tell you, do as you want. My own, I say, this life where we day. Now once, oh, now once. Plan your life well. Decide how you want to do it, especially when you get children. No leave your children for poverty. I don't talk am before. This life where we day, so no be quiet practice, so now once and for all. We know they call 2 times. Make you plan your life well. Make you no regret am. Anyway, what you be your choice. My own, I say, whether you want to stay in Nigeria or you want to go abroad, just put prayer on top. Make God do the rest. As I don't talk rich, so make I end up with this. When I do well, say when I come watch my video. Until next time, my people. Una bye bye you. Una bye bye.
It's goodbye, friends, and goodbye, folks.